Okay, guys, we're back with part 2. Let's just get straight into it. So, triangle PQR is shown. Find the size of angle Q to the nearest degree. Right? Again, just going to use cosine. So, cos theta equals to 53 squared plus 66 squared minus 98 squared over 2 times 53 times 66. That equals to 53 squared, 2 times 53 times 66, plus 66 squared minus 98 squared. Right. Shift cos. Right. So theta equals to 110 degrees. 110.403 ... degrees, and it's approximately equal to 110 degrees. Nearest degree. Okay. 11. The diagram shows a triangle with sides of lengths x, 11, and 13, and an angle of 80 degrees. Right. Use cosine rule to calculate the value of x correct to two significant figures. Right. Again, these questions are easy. Just plug in the numbers, right, and you get the answer. So x squared equals to 11 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 11 times 13 times cos 80 degrees. That equals to squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 11 times 13 times cos 80 degrees. That's 240.336 ... approximately equal, or forgot the square, so x equals square root of 240.336 ... approximately equal to 15.5027 ... approximately equal to 16 centimeters. Okay, so next one. The diagram shows triangle ABC. ABC, calculate the area of the triangle to the nearest square meter. So ABC, area of the triangle. Okay, so remember for this, we need our ice cream cone shape, right? So we've already got a bit of that here, right? So the next thing we need is this side, right? So if we get this, then we can use it to calculate the full area, right? So it's like a two-step question. So we're going to use sine rule to find AB. So AB over, just move this. AB over, you can find this angle as well, which is 180 minus 60 minus 25, 95 degrees sine 95 degrees equals to 12 over sine 25 degrees. So AB is equal to sine 25 degrees times sine 95 degrees. That equals 28.286 ... So one thing with this, make sure you don't use a rounded number in the next steps, right? Always just save it in the calculator. And if you want to know how to save it, all you have to do is do shift and then RCL, or it should say STO, and then just hit any of the letters here. So let me pick A, and it saves it in A. All right, so we've done that, right? Easy. So we've got this is 28.286 ... Next step, just use the area formula. So A equals 1 over 2 times 12 times 28.286 ... times sine 60. And that equals to 1 over 2 times 12 times A, our stored answer, right, times sine 60 degrees. Right, and that equals 146.98 ... So the nearest square meter is approximately equal to 147 meters squared. Right, next one. Right. The diagram shows a triangle with side lengths, blah, 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 blah. Right. Find theta given it is an obtuse angle. Give your answer to the nearest meter. So, again, I'm just going to recognize that this is sine rule, right, because these are opposites. So I'm going to do sine theta over 47 is equal to sine 30 degrees over 25. So sine theta is going to equal sine 30 degrees over 25 times 47 is going to equal 0.94. Theta is going to equal sine 70 degrees. And because this is an obtuse angle, we're going to do 180 minus 70. So theta equals 180 minus 70. Ooh. 180 minus 70. And that equals 2. Right, sorry, I didn't do my own step. Right, make sure you don't round it, 70.5 ... And that equals to 109.9 ... To the nearest minute is approximately equal to 109 degrees 57 minutes. All right, next one. Okay, a 130 centimeter long garden rake leans against the fence. The end of the rake is 44 centimeters from the base of the fence. If the fence is vertical, find the value of theta to the nearest degree. Right. So I just recognize that this, right, is a normal right angle triangle. So I'm going to use normal trigonometry. Right. Might write SOHCAHTOA at the top of the page. Right. Recognize that this is adjacent equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to 44 over 130. Theta equals to 70.21 ... degrees, approximately equal to 70 degrees. Make sure you don't round your answer if it's going to be used in the next question. Okay. The fence develops a lean and the rake is now at an angle of 53 degrees to the ground. Calculate the new distance x from the base of the fence to the head of the rake. Calculates or give your answer to the nearest centimeter. Right. So, right, find the vertical fence. The rake is 44. Okay, so from this question, I'm going to recognize that this is still 44 centimeters. We have this side. Okay, so this is where we go into the problem solving part. Right, how are we going to solve this? Right, we have different kind of equations that we have. Right, we have cosine, we have sine rule, we have normal trigonometry, so like, SOHCAHTOA, and we're going to see which ones we can apply to this one. Right, so we need to eventually find this side. Right, we have this 44 centimeters. Right, so which one do you think we're going to use? Got the ice cream cone shape. We're going to use, what's it called? Cosine rule. So x squared is equal to 30 squared plus 44 squared. minus 2 times 44 times 130 times cos 53 degrees. There's just something in my eye. There we go. Right, x is then equal to square root 130 squared plus 44 squared minus 2 times 44 times 130 times cos 53 degrees. Right, x equals to 109.321 ... meters to the nearest meter is equal to 109 meters. Right, easy. Let's move on to the next one. So a right angle triangle XYZ is cut out of a semicircle with center of 0 or center of O. The length of the diameter is XZ and it's 16 centimeters. Angle YXZ is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so this is equal to 30 here. All right, find the length of XY in centimeters, correct to 2 decimal places. XY, so that's this side. All right, recognize it's a right angle triangle, so I'm going to use normal trigonometry rules, ratios. So I'm going to use cosine, cos 30 degrees equals to xy over 16. Xy is equal to 16 times cos 30 degrees. That equals 13.856 ... approximately equal to 13.86 centimeters. Okay, next one. Hence, find the area of the shaded region in square centimeters. Right, correct to 1 decimal place. Okay. So, to do this, how I'm thinking is we're just going to find the area of this whole semicircle, and then we're going to minus it from the area of this. So, to do that, let's just make this smaller. All right, and literally just use the first thing that comes into your head, right? First thing that comes into your head is cosine rule, and you can use it, just use it. Right. So for the area of the circle, we're going to do I'll just write SC for semicircle area is equal to half times pi times 8 squared. Right. Area of the circle is pi r squared, and then we do 1 over 2 times pi times 8 squared. 100.5309 ... Save this in the calculator. And then the area of this triangle here, right? We're going to do half base times height. So we just need to find this side then. Right, and that is, if we calculate that quickly, it's going to be sine 30 degrees equals yz over 16. Yz is equal to 16 times sine 30 degrees. That equals 8. Right, and then easy, so we just write that in, 8. Right, and then right, 13.86 here, ... Right, and then we can just do half times this to get our area. So area of the triangle is equal to 13.86 ... times 8 times 1 over 2. That equals to this in now. Times 8 times 1 over 2. 55.4256 dot dot dot. And then the area of the shaded region, so area of shaded region is equal to 100.5309 minus 55.426. That's approximately equal to 45.1 centimeters squared. Easy. Let's move on to the next one. Raj cycles around a course. The course starts at E, passes through F, G, and H, and finishes at E. Actually, I'll do this one in the next one because this video is getting kind of long, but I'll see you in there.